Central Quintana Roo, or the Zona Maya, is the heartland of the Mayan culture, an area where you can learn about the timeless traditions and history of this people. Teosuco, Noobek, Chunhuhub are some of its communities, and wherever you go, you'll see beautiful landscapes and be welcomed by friendly, smiling faces. In many of these communities, groups of artisans produce and sell handicrafts as part of the Sustainable Development Projects. They range from beautiful embroidery, baskets and necklaces, to wooden figurines and musical instruments. One of the most beautiful and popular are the bracelets made of wood and seeds. In the community of Noobek, the family of Concepcion Chablé opened the doors of his workshop to show us how do they do that.
My name is Concepcion Chablé. I have been making crafts for almost 25 years. My wife Raquel Sanchez helps me out too full-time. She spends part of her time in the kitchen and she comes and goes. And my son Yair works here with his friend in the afternoon after school. They are both students, you see. We use wood that isn't going to be used for anything other than cooking. They cut a lot of zapote trees around here, and we are trying to use the offcuts, or what they call junk. We give it a natural polish using red paste obtained from organic sources. We use this kind of paste instead of using chemical varnishes because they can cause skin allergies. Our polish is very eco-friendly. We are halfway there in the production process. Now that the wood is polished, we can start cutting it and forming the bracelets.